you can transfer money at ease with minimum transaction cost and at a speed.
हाय एवरीवन, जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल मोचने वी डिकोडेड। मेरे साथ है राजीव कौशिक सर। और सर आज का क्वेश्चन है सर, व्हाट इज क्रिप्टो करेंसी? अ हॉट टॉपिक, बताइए सर।
Yes, it definitely is a hot topic and the world imagination has been captured by this word. इसकी कहानी हमारे जितने भी व्यूअर्स हैं उनको पता भी है कि there is a technology which came out which is called blockchain technology. Block means each information is stored in blocks and it forms a chain. और इसका सबसे जो important part वो ये है कि whatever step is taken, it cannot be changed. So from the beginning to the end, you can actually see who has touched this part of information. So some time ago, I think about 10-12 years ago, this person called Satoshi Nakamoto, he formed this Bitcoin. And after that, lot of other people also formed different type of coins, alternative coins they are called. And a generic name has been termed as cryptocurrency. Now, cryptocurrency, the word is a bit wrong because currency is a sole prerogative of a government. And I'm purposely not using the word country because it is the prerogative, it is in the power of the government. You cannot use a US currency openly in India. You cannot use an Indian currency openly in Bangladesh or Pakistan or Sri Lanka. In Nepal, you might. But they have their own this thing. So when we talk about currency, currency is a medium of exchange of goods and services. As far as this definition goes, in some countries, Bitcoin is accepted as a medium of exchange still. But largely we are seeing lot of other factors are being connected with this. The main thing is that cryptocurrency has a few benefits with it which can be done without. And one of the main factors of cryptocurrency is that you can transfer money at ease with minimum transaction cost and at a speed. But just convenience does not make it legal. So in India, cryptocurrency is not illegal, but it is also not a legal tender. The Supreme Court has said that it is not illegal. But all the same, you cannot walk into a shop or restaurant and say, I want to pay with my Bitcoin. So that is a restriction. So now these are the problems which cryptocurrencies are facing. And I personally don't favor it today, but as the question has come, I am just explaining and giving an academic reply. How it will happen in future, it is very wrong for me to say that it will not become an important thing in future. It may. But from my point of view, cryptocurrency is not based on anything. It is only based on demand and supply. There is only a fixed number of coins, bitcoins which have been minted or manufactured so far. And only that many will remain. But the main thing is that it does not have any base. For example, we say gold has this value, right? Or this particular stock has this value because there is an industry connected with it. A company is connected with it. There are people working for it. Or for that matter, even a currency of a country. What is the backing of that currency of a country? What is the backing of US dollar? What is the backing of Indian rupee? The backing is the government. The government which is running that country, that is standing in charge of the citizens of that country. It has decided that we will look after your defense, we will look after your finances, we will look after your trains, your water, your electricity. So that government has decided to take care of its people. So it has a backing. The currency has a sovereign backing. Cryptocurrencies have no such backing. They do not have any underlying asset. The technical term is they do not have any underlying asset except demand and supply.
Okay. So I guess guys, cryptocurrency के ऊपर this information is really valid. We'll be coming up with some other questions and let's see how sir responds to that. Thank you very much. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी.